Hello everyone, welcome to Vishesh Educational Videos. In this video, I am explaining about the Unix and POSIX file system. If you take any operating system, that operating system can contain different types of files. So, you should have a way to organize your files. That means you should have a way to store your files in some different way or a format, right? So in this video I'm going to discuss related to the Unix and POSIX file system. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like the video. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends. If you want to get the notification of my new videos, please click the bell icon. So let me begin the explanation of Unix and POSIX file system. So, as I already told you, file system means it is a way of storing your files. How we are going to store all the files that are present in your OS or that are related to your operating system. So, files in Unix or POSIX systems are stored in tree-like structure or hierarchical structure. So Unix file system is a hierarchical file system. Hierarchical means you can see here, right? It is a parent and child relationship. So whatever the files that are present in your Unix operating system, so that files will be stored in the form of hierarchy, that is parent and child relationship. You can see there the parent here is a root directory. So that root directory is denoted by a slash symbol, right? So and all the other files are nothing but a child to the parent root. You can see there home file, bin file, user file. See, all the files are stored as a sub files to the parent, the child to the parent. Here parent is a root directory. You can see there. So the files are stored here in a parent and child relationship, that is hierarchical representation. Getting, guys? See, the root of a file system is the root directory. I told you root is the first directory, parent directory. The leaf nodes of a file system, right, are either empty directory files or other types of files. So the leaf nodes, whatever the children nodes, the leaf nodes are there, right? So these are the other types of directories. See, different directories are there here: user, bin, right, temp, right? Getting, guys? Next, absolute path name of a file consists of the names of all the directories starting from the root. For example, absolute path name means you can see there, example, user divya /a.out. Here user is one type of directory, divya is one directory, a.out is one directory. Suppose, see, if you want to find out a bin here, how can you find out bin here? /bin. /bin means slash is a root directory, next is the bin directory, like that. You can find out any file based on the levels. Hope you are getting, guys, right? See, so this is absolute path name. Path name contains different directories. If where I can find a.out means I should go to the root, then I should go to the user, then I should go to the divya, then I can find out the a.out inside divya folder. Getting, guys? So relative path name may consist the dot and double dot characters. What is the difference here? Absolute path name, you know that, but relative path names always consist a dot or a double dot. What does it mean? These are references to the current and parent directories. Dot represents to the current directory, double dot represents to the parent directories. For example, you can see there dot dot slash means what? it's a parent directory, right? Again dot slash parent directory. Then you can find out login directory inside the, right? Hope you are getting login directory, right? So first parent directory, then login directory. See, login file may be found 2 level ups from the current directory. 2 level ups from the current directory means, don't get confused here. Dot login means what? Dot is what? Current directory. Before that current directory, how many parent directories are there? 2 parent directories. So that's why it may be found 2 level up from the current directory. Hope you are getting, guys. Right? If you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. So dot represents the current directory, double dot represents the parent directory, right? And for a file name, right, the file name may not exceed the name max characters, 14 bytes. So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to give a name for a particular file, it should be within 14 bytes only. And the total number of characters a file name may contain, right, it should not exceed 1024 bytes. This is the right size. A file name should not contain the characters more than 14 bytes. Getting, guys? So for that, in the previous videos I discussed about POSIX name max, POSIX path max while discussing the macros, right? So these are the these macros will give this maximum values. So you can't exceed this values, maximum values. The number of characters or the size should be within this only. Getting, guys? So far our Unix file system should be in a tree-like structure format. So the parent directory is the root directory. All the other directory will be subdirectories for the root directory. So you can find out any file using the path name, right? So relative path name may consist dot and double dot. Dot is a current directory, double dot is a parent directory, right? Next, so this is the structure of the Unix file system. So, and file name can be any of the following character set only. I told you the file size should be within the 1024 bytes, right? So what are the characters you can use, and the character size should be within, here, see here, maximum character should be within 14 bytes. Total number of characters should be within 1024 bytes. But what are the characters you can use to write a name means, you can either use alphabets from A to Z, or small letter A to Z, or 0 to 9. You can use any of this alphabet or a digit while naming your file, right? And also path name of a file is called the hard link, right? So for a file, the path name will be there, right? When you want to find a file, how you are going to find a file means using the path, right? So that path name will be used to find the file, right? The path name can be also called as hard link. One file may contain 2 different path names. That means one file may be stored in a C drive also, it may be stored in a D drive also. That is possible in a OS, right? That means what? We have 2 paths name for a same file, that is hard link. Getting, guys? Hard link is nothing but the path name of a file. One file may contain any number of hard links, that is possible. A file may be referenced by one or more than one path name. I already told you. A file can contain more than one path name. If a user creates one or more hard links to the file using ln command. If you want to create a different path names for a file, how you can do that? Using a ln command. You can see ln user foo path1 user program new n1. Getting, guys? Right? See, 2 path names, user foo path1, user program new n1. It is possible. You can create path names, right, hard links for the particular file. If -s option is used, then it's a symbolic link. No, don't worry about what is a symbolic link. I will discuss in the upcoming videos, but you should know ls minus s is used to create a symbolic link, ln is used to create a hard link. Hope you are understanding, guys. If you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section, right? So these are the following files. These are the different types of files that are defined in most Unix systems. What are that? So what are those? Slash etc. So etc stores system administrative files and programs. It is going to store this directory, right? These files going to store the administrative files and programs. So stores all user information, which is that etc slash password. It stores all user information, password information, right? User account information, right? etc shadow means it stores user passwords. etc group means stores all group information. Bin means all system programs, whatever the Unix commands you are going to use, the codes for the Unix commands will be stored in the bin directory. Getting, guys? In a dev directory stores all character device and block device files. User slash include means in include directory it stores all standard header files. You know that in C programming also include directory contains different headers, right? So in the same here also include directory contains different header files. Next, library. Lib stores all the libraries. In C also same, because Unix is also based on C programming only, right? That's why it will be same. Temp as the name suggests, it stores the temporary files created by the program, right? Getting, guys? So these are the different types of directories or files that are supported in Unix systems. Hope you are understanding, guys. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.